A business can deliver excellent work and still make the wrong impression. When the logo changes from one product to the next, employees wear mismatched apparel, and event materials look disconnected, the brand begins to feel less credible than the company behind it. Fully promoted franchise owners can help change that. Every day, owners work with local businesses to turn scattered purchases into coordinated brand programs. They help clients choose apparel people will want to wear, promotional products customers will value, and event materials that will make the business easier to recognize and remember. It starts by understanding the business. Who is wearing the apparel? Where will the apparel be seen? What does the client want customers, employees, or prospects to do next? From there, fully promoted owners help bring the pieces together. Brand colors are matched, products are selected for the audience and occasion, logo placement is reviewed. Approved options are created so future orders remain consistent. The opportunity extends far beyond one event or one order. A growing company may need employee uniforms, onboarding kits and recognition programs. A sales team may need trade show displays, branded merchandise, and client gifts. A multi-location business may need an online store that makes approved products easier to order across every team. Each need creates another way to support the client and deepen the relationship. Businesses are also placing greater value on quality. In 2025, retail branded promotional product sales reached an estimated $6 billion, with the category growing significantly faster than promotional products overall. That shift creates an opportunity for owners who can help clients move beyond inexpensive giveaways and invest in products that reflect the quality of their brands. Every market has businesses that are better than their branding makes them look. A fully promoted owner helps these businesses present themselves with greater consistency, professionalism, and impact, then continues supporting the brand as companies hire, expand, attend new events, and reach new customers. That is the opportunity, helping local businesses look as strong as the work they do. Build a business that helps other businesses stand out. Download the Fully Promoted Franchise Overview Kit at franchise.fullypromoted.com.